How to make group chat on Snapchat. For that, you have to open the Snapchat application. Here you just have to select the chat page, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Simply tap on chat icon. This will take you to the chat page. Now you have to tap on bottom right corner's new chat button. Now select new group at top of the screen, and here on the shortcut you just have to tick mark the friends that you want to add them in your group. After that, you have to tap on chat with group button at the bottom of the screen, but before that you can also tap on new group name and edit the name of your group. Now tap on chat with group, and now you can continue chatting or making calls on the group chat on Snapchat. You can also add member by tapping on the add members button. So that's how we make group chat on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.